Hey Mississauga, my name's Stefan and I'm here to present you the all-new 2021 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. Spring's just around the corner and that means adventure. Want the best vehicle to get you around no matter the terrain, mud, snow, gravel? Look no further than the 2021 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. And you can find it here at my Mississauga Chrysler. Now let's talk about under the hood. You're going to have a 3.6 liter Pentastar engine producing 285 horsepower with 260 pound-foot of torque. That's enough power to take you wherever you want to go. Built for rugged back roads, the Jeep Gladiator is best suited for country life. Whatever it is, whether it's taking supplies to the cottage or taking your gear. For camping, the utility bed will help you take it anywhere you want to go. Knowing what the Ontario weather can bring to the table, lights are super important for night driving. This vehicle is equipped with LED lights and fog lights as well for when the weather gets thick. Hey guys, coming to the rear of the Gladiator, if the bed's not big enough for all your gear, you will have extra space with the folding seats in the rear. Coming to the inside of the Gladiator, it's a very pleasant place to be with the 8.4-inch UConnect screen and the leather-wrapped steering wheel with cruise control making it long for those nice Ontario road trips. Now, let's talk safety. The Gladiator features electronic stability control and rollover stability control to keep you on all four wheels, no matter the terrain. If you guys have any further questions, come visit us at my Mississauga Chrysler located at 2260 Battlefield Road. Thank you for watching.